In this demonstration, we are going to take a look at workspaces in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations, including the type of data that might be found in that workspace. So to navigate to a workspace, we have two different options. Over in the navigation pane on the left-hand side, we can select a workspace from the list, and we can also choose to select a tile on the dashboard. In this case, we are going to select the tile for Retail Store Management on the dashboard. Now that the retail store management workspace is open, let's take a look at the different areas, starting with the summary. As we've mentioned before, there are such things as tiles on the workspaces, and in this case, we can see several different tiles in the summary section that are important for management for retail stores. For example, we have the number of retail stores, which is 38, the number of registers, which is 145, and the number of devices, which is 47. The details section contains more detailed information about several different areas that are related to retail store management. In this case, we have workers, shifts, registers, and devices. And if we click on each of these tabs, we can see more information about each one. So if we click shifts, we can look at unposted shifts, and we can also look at the different options here. If we look at registers, we can see all of the registers, which should match up with this 145 registers that's over in the summary tile. So let's look at the workers section. From here, we can see basic information about all of the different workers that are listed here. And then we can also click on the actual tile for that worker and then click more details to see additional details about them. In this case, for Aaron, we can see the stores, POS permissions, transactions, and additional worker details. Now let's take a look at the links section over on the right-hand side. Over in the links section, you can see that there are several areas that have links to different pages within the system that may be important for retail store management. To start, we have customers, including a customer list, areas about customer cards, labels, and reports. Although the actual details in each workspace may differ, the information organization is roughly the same, starting with the summary, details, possible Power BI, and links sections. We can also click New in the action pane to perform actions related to whatever workspace we're in. In this case, because we're in retail store management, I can create a new worker, a new register, or a new device from the dropdown.